Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Refrigerator gaskets have a magnetic strip that helps maintain a seal around the door. If the gasket is damaged or warped, then the door will not seal properly. Any gaps will cause warm air to rush into the fridge and freezer. You might notice condensation forming on the walls or extra frost as the moisture freezes. In this episode, I'll show you how to install a new door gasket in your refrigerator. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. You might also need a flat putty knife and a heat gun. Keep in mind there is some variation between models, and not all refrigerators will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website to see a parts breakdown. This can be helpful to show you which parts are in your refrigerator and where they are located. When receiving your new gasket, it will be folded and packed in a smaller box. This can cause changes in the gasket shape. Before installation, it's best to help the gasket return to its original shape. Lay the gasket out flat for 24 hours. You can also use a hair dryer to help make the gasket more pliable. Alternatively, you can soak the gasket in a bathtub full of hot water. There are several ways that gaskets are mounted. In some models, the gasket is fitted into a small groove. Use a screwdriver to lift up the gasket. Now work your way around the entire perimeter. In other models, the gasket is held behind a small lip or a mounting bracket. If needed, loosen the screws to lift up the bracket. Next, pull the gasket outwards. Now, if it's difficult to remove, then you can always cut the gasket. Alternatively, you might find it easier to replace the gasket with the door lying on a flat surface. You can see how to remove the door in the video linked below. When replacing the gasket on a bottom freezer door, you'll have to separate the door from the rails. You can learn more in the video linked below. If the gasket sits inside a groove, simply push it into place. Slowly work your way around the door and press down firmly. The gasket should be sitting flush with the door. In other doors, you'll have to push the edge of the gasket under the lip. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to push in the edge. Continue around the perimeter. If needed, tighten any screws to secure the mounting bracket. After the gasket is installed, check to see if it makes a good seal around the refrigerator. You can use a hair dryer to help form the gasket. Simply let the magnetic strip catch and apply heat. Now pull the handle slightly. This can expand the gasket, which will reduce any gaps. You might also need to use your hands to help form the gasket. As well, applying a light coat of Vaseline can also help the gasket to make a better seal. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.